Well, the price of everyday essentials, gas, groceries, they climbed again last month, as if I have to tell you that, but we're being very official here. Overall inflation was at its highest level in 3 years.
Karen Kafa is in Washington to break down the numbers and tell us what they mean for household budgets.
Price hikes continue to pinch U.S. households. Annual inflation rose to 4.2% in May, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's the highest level since April 2023.
The real pressure on the overall economy is on inflation and prices. For consumers, this means, struggles with affordability.
Fueling the faster pace, overall energy costs up more than 23% since May 2025 amid elevated oil prices due to the war in Iran. David Anderson of the Texas A&M Department of Agricultural Economics says that's putting some pressure on overall food and grocery prices, up 3.1% year over year.
If we think about all of our food, we got to get it from where we produce it to where we consume it. And that requires diesel and gasoline and rail traffic, trucking, you name it.
Other factors at play in the grocery aisles: fresh fruits and vegetables up 6.1% over the last year, driven by soaring lettuce and tomato prices after weather cut crops. Coffee prices up more than 17% in the last year because of tariffs, and beef and veal up almost 13% as summer grilling season kicks off, Anderson says, and cattle numbers are at a cyclical low point. At the same time, Elizabeth Renter, senior economist for NerdWallet, notes inflation is now outpacing wage growth.
We're paying more at the grocery store. We're not getting a raise, that coincides with it. And so we're feeling that additional stressor.
Economists warn climbing costs could eventually dent consumer spending, the primary driver of the U.S. economy. In Washington, I'm Karen Kafa.